Okay, combination of functions. And this time we're going to be having subtraction problems. Now, I'm going to take f of 3 minus g of 3. There's several ways you can work this. I like to kind of plug in the numbers first. And I worked this on a previous video. If you want to go back and look at it, it would be combination of functions addition. This one's subtraction. It's the same problems, but where I plugged in the 3 into the f of x and solved, and I got 11. And for g of 3, if I plugged it into the negative 2x plus 1, I put a 3 in it, I got negative 5. Well, what happens with the subtraction one is this. F of 3 minus g of 3 is 11 minus negative 5. But because there's two negatives, that did not go to the story I told in class. They cancel each other out, so it's like a plus. So your answer is 16. I go up here to this next one, f of 3, negative 3 minus h of negative 3. Well, I'm going to go to the f problem. And as you'll notice, I'm going to take 3 times negative 3 plus 2, which 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, plus 2 makes negative 7. On this one here, I plugged it into the h of x, because it's the h one, so I had the x squared, and notice negative 3 squared, and if you don't remember, up here I have a sample, 3 squared, negative 3 squared is negative 9, because this order of operations would say do exponents first, then make it negative. This one says do parentheses first, so that's negative 3 times negative 3, which makes positive 9. That's why it's positive 9 plus 1 here, which is 10. And I'm going to take negative 7 and minus 10, which makes negative 17. I like to think of these as two negative numbers. And then here, this last one, I'm going to take this 2 and square it, which is 4 plus 1, 5. And then 5 times the negative 4 is negative 20. But I'm going to start with the 5 and minus negative 20. And once again, these are two negatives. They cancel out like a positive, so I add them, and you get 25. That is a combination of functions subtraction.